everybody, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. Today is collaboration time. It's Deb Houck's jewelry making fun collab, so stay tuned to see what I created. Okay, in the description, make sure you look at the other great creators and their creations. This is the month of July. It's July 18th, and the 18th of every month we make things, and we have specific guidelines to follow. So for July, we did colors of tan, brown, and or white. Use bronze or copper findings, and use leather or other cording. And I think I met all those challenges today. I had big plans of a leather necklace that didn't quite work, so I made a leather bracelet instead, and then I've got some earrings. I am partial to the earrings. That's my favorite thing to make anyhow. But yeah, I like both. And I like to work with wood, and I thought, wow, those colors really go with the wood beads that I have. So I've got beads. Hobby Lobby has these if you ever want to find beads. They're tan, they're chocolate brown, and also like a vanilla bean color. So if you catch those on sale, they're really good. Price is like 99 cents for the small package of them. And so I had some leather cord. I guess I'll talk about the bracelet first. I had the most problems with the bracelet, I think. I had to think more outside of the box with that one. Okay, this comes from Walmart, actually. There's some, like a spool of leather they have, and it's dark brown. And it goes quite well with those wood beads, I think. So I've got that dark brown leather cord, and I had some barrel beads. They're kind of large. They were large enough to fit 2 pieces of that leather through it. The leather is, let's see, 2 millimeters. Yeah, 2 millimeter leather. So what I did was I took a piece of brass and I cut it out, and then I put 2 loops on the side. The loops have to be large enough to double up 2 pieces of the leather. So I didn't really do a lot of measuring. I kind of eyeball everything. And since this is for me, this bracelet, I just put I made the leather large enough to double up there, put the barrel bead there, and I'm thinking I just want to be lazy and finish it up with this knot, since it's just for me. You have many different things you could finish up leather bracelets with. You could do a slip knot. You could do these crimp beads and a lobster claw, but I just thought I would keep it simple this morning. And I just have it like that. And I have a little cute leather bracelet with the nice neutral wood beads. And so also I made earrings, and these are my favorite things because I like making earrings anyhow. What I did was I used my bronze findings in the medallion there. It's like a medallion bead. It's a flower. And I used 2 of those. I used my brass wire. I cut and made like a head pin, you know, about 1 inch long or whatever, to make my maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches wire. I put 2 loops on both ends of the wire. I attached 1 loop there on the top of the charm, and I attached the other loop to the ear wire there at the top. And that's how I made the earrings. I think I made that. Yeah. Gotta fix that. My ear wire is backwards. Now that looks right. So when you put it on, the flower is facing that way. Yeah, I think I like that best. The like that embellished flower. I like those beads a lot. And so this is my installment for the month of July. I hope everybody's having a great July. You're enjoying yourself this summer. Stay cool. It's pretty warm this summer. All right, so don't forget to check out the other ladies, and thank you, Deb, for the challenge and the for the collab. And I hope everybody has a great day. Thank you for coming. Till next time. Bye bye.